Oh yeah, oh yeah. What's up, guys? How's it going? It's time for Jim of All Trades Sunday Night Charts. Glad you made it with me tonight. Are you ready to rock? I hope I am. I'm kind of tired tonight. I'm always tired, but man, I've been pretty lethargic lately. But we're here. Let me know if the video and audio sounds good. Let me know in the chat who's here, where you're from. Love to hear where you're from in the world. So glad y'all made it. We are getting ready to rock here. So let's jump in. We're going to look at the Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. We're going to see what's going on in the charts. What's up, Daniel L? What's up, Luke Kenton? What's up, man? How's it going, Peter? What's up? How are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? I'm watching an Aussie trade I'm in. I'm long from the bottom here. I want to see if we're going to continue up or if we're coming down here. So y'all can help me watch that guy, Aussie dollar. Look to take profit here shortly, or something. We'll see. Don't forget, no, this is financial advice. Never intended to be financial advice, just my view of the market. We're going to look at the market from an Elliott wave perspective. All right, let me see if I can find you guys on my phone so we can have the chat going. Ta-da-da. There we go.
Hi everybody, Steven Sitkowski here, co-founder of the Market
What's up?
Industry Group.
Video and audio good, awesome.
How to trade the financial markets now for over
What's up, Tom? What's up, James? How's it going?
We said it doesn't.
All right. Perfect audio. Excellent. Thank you very much. All right. Da-da-da. All right, what's Bitcoin going to do? We going up? We going up? It certainly looks like it. How far are we going up? Is it going up forever? Is it going to the moon, or is this corrective? Man, this certainly looks corrective. This wave that's made right here. I mean, if you'll look, just kind of some thoughts. Look at this wave right there. Look at that. It's up to this point right here. It's almost identical. I mean, almost identical. Same size and shape, almost. It's crazy. Crazy. Then what do we get? We got a three-way, well, actually, three-way move after that. It's about done. I don't know. I don't know. We got a three-way move there. This could be that right there. Might want to come down. Man, they can just drag it on forever, can't they? They can just drag it on forever if they want to. What's up, Crypto Fever? What's up, Carrie? How are you doing, Dragonfly? Always likes to see you. All right. All right, y'all help me decide whether I need to cut my Aussie dollar trade or not, or if you think it's going up. So I'll keep an eye on it for me while I'm doing some TA. How's that sound? All right, let's jump in. I'm just going to tell you what. I'm just going to start telling you what I see. Somebody commented. I think they retracted it, and I appreciated that they retracted it, but I happened to see it anyway. They said, with all due respect, I think the comment was something, I don't seem to know whether it's going up or down, which isn't very helpful for trading. That's a great comment. I don't seem to know whether it's going up or down in the last video. Yeah, that's right. I don't. Don't think we always know what's going to do. Let me bring my crystal ball. Because I mean, it's just a true statement. I don't know whether it's going up or down. I can just see the structures that I see and tell you what I think might happen based on the structures. Oh, man. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. All right, so keep that in mind. That's my disclaimer. I'm not pretending to know. But what I am doing is I could take Elliott wave theory, which is just a theory that applies repetitious rules to the market, and just based upon what I'm seeing currently, the structure that's being made currently, I can have a pretty good idea what's coming next. Okay, pretty much all I know is what's coming next, the next wave, based upon the current wave that's being made, and then I can extrapolate and look off into the distance. To see, what might be coming after that, right? But after that, it's just becomes speculation, right? But higher and lower probability speculation. Now, when the structures aren't very clear on the chart, guys, then when the wave formation isn't super clear and it's hard to tell, then I'm honest with you. Like, I just don't know. In the last video I made, it was like 35 minutes of I see this and I see that and I see that and I see that, and at the end of the video, I'm like, there it is. I don't do whatever you want to do with that information. I don't know where it's going. So anyway, let's see here. Yeah. Good comments there. I'm not psychic, Carrie. I'm not. I wish I were, because I would not be trading. I would not be working as a contractor right now. I tell you what, I wouldn't even be trading. I would go buy a lottery ticket and be done with it. So, Powerball it is. All right. Well, we're gonna jump into this market here and start breaking it down a little bit. I did in the last video spend a lot of time from macro to micro. Okay, so let me just remind you of some assumptions I'm making in this market. Assumption number 1, that's a 3-wave. Assumption number 2, that's an impulse. Assumption number 3, that's a 3-wave. That I think is finished. It is comparatively the same as this wave as far as time, and it takes up. I mean, it's proportional. It does not break the low. Okay, so impulse 3-wave. Now, what in the world is this? What is that? What in the world is this wave? I think it's an unfinished wave that we're in the middle of, that once it's finished we'll be like, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Which implies, guys, we're probably going to go up. Long-term, daily chart, guys, this chart is bullish. To me, this chart is very bullish on the daily. Now, just because it's bullish on the daily doesn't mean it's going straight up. Doesn't mean it's going up from here. Guys, we can still come down here before we go up. Now, what we're trying to do now, because I believe it's bullish, here's a big reason. RSI analysis. I have hidden bull divergence right there on the daily. That is hidden bullish divergence, where RSI has reset to the downside, almost oversold but not quite, where price could not be brought down to the same degree as that RSI was. In other words, the RSI moved to a greater degree than did the price. So in other words, the strength was greater to the downside, but it wasn't able to push price with it, which means price has resistance and pressure to the opposite way, to the upside. That's kind of some ways to think about it. In other words, this is hidden bullish divergence on the daily chart, and it's implying, guys, we have more up to go. Those are some assumptions that I'm making on the front end. Now the big question is, can we ascertain some information that's going to help us on an entry? Because Lord knows, if this thing is going to come down here, we do not want to be entering a trade long up here, do we? Because, man, you don't want to wait for a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 drawdown if that's going to go on up there. On the other hand, if this thing's going to start going up here, we don't want to be missing that long. So, is there any information here in there? If this thing is going to go up, is there any information that would lead us to think, okay, when is it going to go up and how is it going to go up? Can we try to build a concept of where it's going on the smaller time frame so we can be ready to trade it? And that's what we're about to do here. Aaron? I hope that's a joke. I hope you don't trade with 100x. I don't give that kind of advice, bro. Don't give that kind of advice. But let me tell you, if you're trading with 100x leverage, you ain't going to be trading long. All right. Be careful. Just be careful. Word of the wise. Or a word of the foolish. That if you listen to, it'll be wise. All right. So let's figure out. Let's zoom in now. So on the daily, guys, I'm telling you, this is a bullish chart on the daily chart. Moving averages. We've crossed above the 20. 20 period moving average are about to come up to the 50 if we make it. Okay, we've got on the daily chart, we've got a bullish engulfing candle here that engulfed this. Okay, there's just some signs that, just from a non-Elliott wave perspective, that it's kind of bullish. Okay, on the daily chart. Now, listen, if this candle right here turned red sometime between today and started doing this trick, well, obviously it could turn bearish really fast. It could easily turn bearish really fast. We know that. But as it sits right now, we've got some bullish sentiment. Okay, price is above the 200 daily moving average. We have just crossed above the 20 period. We're right between the 20 and the 50. So we're in kind of a no man's land. Whenever the 20 and the 50 are near each other, kind of crossing and trading like in this area right here, it's kind of a no man's land kind of area. Okay. See where they cross and they cross in here and they cross in here. So where that 20 and 50 are crossing, it's fairly challenging to be trading. Now we are to the downside of the 50. But we're retesting it. So, I'm not a big moving average trader, but just showing you what we're seeing there, okay? Weekly, on the weekly moving average, the 20-week moving average, we have bounced off of it, okay? We've hit and we bounced substantially off the 20-week moving average. So, again, on the weekly, we're bullish. One might say, hey, probably going to go up from here. Okay. So on the daily, on the higher time frames, the appearance of the chart right now is bullish sentiment. Guys, I'm going to keep checking my Aussie trade here. I'll be back and forth from this thing here. So just bear with me as I just check it every now and then. Now, where was I? Okay, so on the daily chart from the Elliott wave perspective, I have an impulse. I have a correction. that, in my opinion, is finished. That tells me we probably got impulse to go. Okay. We would expect it to reach the 1-to-1 extension. We have hit the 786, but we have not hit the 1-to-1 extension yet. The 1-to-1 extension is the most probable target that we should look to hit, okay, out of all of our targets. So I like to come up here and hit this 1-to-1 extension at 14,800. Okay, that would be a nice target to come up and smash. Okay, now again, I'm not sure if we're going to come up here and hit that right now or not. It would seem to me the shape of the wave would demand it. The shape of this is saying we need to go up. We need to go. It's not finished. It doesn't look finished. It looks like it wants to go up more. If I were to guess, we are in an area of the chart that could possibly be similar to this right here. See the shape of that move right there. We had hidden bullish divergence here on the daily. You got a similar shape. You got a similar triangular sideways motion right here. It went up, it came back and retested it, and then maybe off to the races. Guys, I mean, not trying to turn moon boy on you. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing on the chart. Okay? So that's a possibility you got to bear in mind, keep in mind. But you got a bull in mind. Okay. I don't think I can pull up a Facebook picture. James. Let me see here. There we go. This picture makes me think you haven't been watching my videos, James. Couple reasons why I shy away from this count right here. This 4 has come into the level of the 1. It doesn't have the shape of a diagonal. I would rather see this as a 1 2 1 2 rather than a 1 2 3 4 5, most likely. That's the way I'm thinking about that. So I don't see this as the beginning of a 5 wave. I actually see this as the beginning of a larger 1 2 1 2. If it's not a 3 wave ABC. Okay, we'll talk about it in just a minute. Okay, we'll talk about that. So. We'll talk about that count. I mentioned it many times, but I'm going to explain to you why I've shied away from that count. So, considered it and shied away from it. All right, so I kind of started on the daily, kind of showed you what I'm thinking here. I'm looking for an impulse here. Now, best I can tell, one, two. Okay, so check this out. That's 1 and 2. There's 3 right at the 1618. This is 4, 3-wave pullback, 4, and now we could be heading up into 5. Let's go to the 1 hour and see if this is true. Now, here's my problem. First off, if this is a three-way pullback, here are the problems I mentioned in the last video. There's a three-wave move. It does measure to the 1618. Okay. But my problem here is that we had a three-wave move to finish the top of that wave. So I don't like that. I don't like that at all. One might say we have this, then that. I don't like that either. Because there's no such thing in Elliott wave as a 5-3-3. Okay? So I've shared that many times. There's no such thing as a 5-3-3. So I reject this as a move. Okay? I just not liking it. Here's a potential three-wave come to the 1618. Now, if that's a three-wave, then we're looking for an impulse off of that, right? This needs to be an impulse. So we've got to be able to interpret. I feel like I'm repeating myself over and over, but guys, y'all have to realize that this is what's at stake, okay? Man, I've said this so many times, that this has to be able to be interpreted as an impulse wave. Does that look like an impulse wave to you? Really? How do you break it up into 5 waves? So if I try to break it up into 5 waves, I try to do it this way: 1, 2, maybe 3 over here, 4, 5. What's the problem with that? The problem with that is that I don't have a 5-wave count on the 3rd wave, and I also have this fifth wave ending in 3 waves. It's just crappy. It's just crappy. What else? I mean, you see the 3 waves? You see the 3-wave move there? The ending move was 3 waves. So does that mean this is a diagonal? It certainly doesn't have the shape of a diagonal. I mean, we really gotta force it. But if it's a diagonal, we got something like 1, 2, 3, 4, truncated 5th. It's so odd. That's the only way I can get a impulse out of that. Okay, fine. We got an impulse. Now what? Well, do we get a 3-wave down? In other words, if we're trying to support the notion that this is going up from here, then I've got to be able to say that that's a 5-wave move, and this is 3 waves. When this wave right here, I mean, it wicked the 1618, so you might say there's a 3-wave move. But then you got this other move to the downside. To me, this was looking like a flat. If it doesn't stop, as long as it comes down here, I still am okay with the flat idea. Which would imply, if that's a flat, then this is implying down. Whoop. Down from here. Okay. AUD is looking great. Okay. There's just so much to consider here that if any of you guys are holding fast to any one count, I think you're in an error. Because there's so much crap in this area of the chart. It is not clear. If anybody would see it as clear, I would. I mean, I've just got an eye for it, and I'm not seeing anything clear. I see all kinds of ideas, but I don't see anything clear. Okay? So if I'm thinking down, if I'm a guy thinking, okay, this is going down, well, this is the way, let me just show you the way I'm thinking about it. Okay? I'm thinking Elliott wave, this is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we got a 1, 2 on our hands. It better not break this top. And it better start coming down soon. And in big dramatic fashion. RSI could support that move. Okay? So if I'm thinking down, that's the way it's coming down. I do not believe, personally, this is a 1, oh, come on. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't have the shape. It doesn't have a shape for an impulse. I don't like it. I kind of reject that as a count. That's what I was talking about, James. Not picking on you at all. I saw that as a possibility, and personally, I'm like, I checked it off my list as not a possibility. A couple reasons. Number one, it doesn't have the right shape. Number two, I didn't have any alternation between 2 and 4. It's the same shape wave, just one's a little bit bigger. And then the third reason is this 4 wave came up higher than the 1 wave. Okay. Yeah, Rob, you may not like that uber bear count on the 1, 2, 1, 2 to the downside. So, yeah, I get it. So if you're thinking up from here, then you've got to resolve some issues. Okay, your issues are that this has to be a 5 wave and this has to be a 3 wave. Okay, that this is 5 and that's 3. Okay, because if this is going to go up from here, if you're thinking up, then that's got to be 5, and this has to be 3, or we got to get 3 like that before we go up. Okay. So number 1, I'm having a really hard time getting 5 out of that, but I can stretch it and give it to you. Okay. Diagonal of some kind, I give it to you. Okay, fine. Now what? Now I got to get a 3 wave out of this one. So again, now I'm considering if we're going up from here. What do I need? If we're going up from here, trying to clear my chart a little bit. There we go. If we're going up from here, this has to be a 3 wave, and this is impulse, or this has to be a larger 3 wave that doesn't break the bottom over here. Okay? And then we go up from there. So those are the 2 options. Personally, I do not see this right here as a 3 wave. Well, I can. But if I see this as a 3 wave, I also see this next wave as a 3. The only way I can see this as a 3 wave is like this. Personally. A, B, C. That's it. That's it. I wouldn't include this for several reasons, but number 1, the biggest reason, this is only 3 waves down. Best I can tell. So to me, there's 3 waves, and then here's 3 waves. And then what we would expect then is 3 waves. Should not break this low. So if you're thinking bull, it needs to stop here pretty close, and then get down here to 99.40. Better not break that low. Then we reverse, and we go on our way. So there's a bull count. Now, let's talk about something else here. Guys, this is going to get confusing for you. So I'm going to draw all the things that you can see here. So if you're thinking up from here, then this has to come down here, I believe, for me to be thinking valid. and then we go up. But here's the other problem. This could still come down here and then go up in 3 waves, okay? Or 5 waves, and still come down. And this could be our move, like this. And then we go up, like that. And this would be indeed some kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Because I do have a count. Well, I've got one count that says that's 1, 2, 3. Nope. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's one of my counts. Or I've got a count that says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. I don't like it. I don't like it much, but I don't like any of this stuff. What are you guys saying here? All right, from 12K, draw an expanding leading diagonal. One, 2, 3, 4. It's got to come way down. 5. Maybe. I just don't like how high this has come. The other issue is that this is 5. That's 5. This needs to be 5. It doesn't have the same shape, so I'm inclined to say I don't like that personally because of how high this has come. Oh, okay. So you're saying that I just read your comment, Chemo. You're saying that this wave is part of this wave. So I got to draw it like that. It's pretty wide, buddy. We got to get up here maybe, and then there. Yeah. I don't like it much. Appreciate y'all's good comments. I'm trying to be faithful to read and see what you're saying. No, I'm glad you sent the idea out, man. Yeah, good. We're trying to figure out what it is. So for me right now, the 1-2-1-2 to the downside is not out of play, but it's certainly going up right now, isn't it? Sorry, guys. Hold on a second. I'm going to go ahead and take profit on this guy, I think. Um, almost ready. One more push up. One more push. Let's look at it in a 10-minute. Yeah, I have I'm long right now. I suppose. All right, let's look at DXY for a minute, since that was requested here, and see if it helps us a bit. So, DXY, a couple things. On the 8-hour chart, we're in the over bought territory, though we've got room to go up. We are at the 1-to-1 from the bottom here. We're at the 1-to-1 extension. We're at the 1-to-1 extension here of this bottom move. So we got a 3-wave move that it's at the 1-to-1. To me, this is looking like a finished 3-wave on the DXY. The funny thing is that Bitcoin has been kind of not following DXY. It doesn't follow it on the micro level. It only follows it, the best I can tell, when there's a strong move. Okay. Like right here, when we got the strong move to the upside, these are 12 hours of straight up. That's when we got the down move on BTC. That's when we got these stronger moves here, or this stronger move. So, there's not a lot of consistent correlation between the DXY chart and Bitcoin that I can tell a whole lot. So, you think take profit on odd? Yeah, it's getting close. If it's not ready at all, ready now. I think this is like a 4. And we're gonna get one more push up. Anyway, let's go back to BTC here. So anyway, what's at stake with BTC here is, here's all the conclusions here. If that's a 3-wave move, we could get a 3-wave move like that, and then we could get another 3-wave move. That's a big WXY. That's possible. And then after that, we would expect upside. Okay, so there's scenario number A. I'm not giving these in order of importance. Okay, scenario B, that this is a 3-way move, and now we have impulse beginning. It's going up big time from here. I don't like that either. I can't get him. The problem with that is I have a really hard time getting impulse out of that. It's an ugly impulse wave. Okay? No matter how you slice it. I do not like it for many, many reasons. I've already shared them. I like it better as a 3-wave. This, to me, is very impulsive off the bottom. I don't count that as a as a three wave. I count it as a. Now, if it is a three wave, then we have, come on, three wave, we're going to get another three wave. Then we'll go up again. This will be a flat three wave, flat, and then some kind of a three wave down. Boom, boom, boom. Go long there with confidence. Or this is a 1. This is my bias for now. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1. Maybe it's 2 is going to come and retest the top up here. And then head down. I like that more because it goes with the flow. It goes with the flow of the waves. You can see we're getting impulse down, corrective up. Impulse down, corrective up. Impulse down, corrective up. So, I mean, to me, the flow right now is down. The impulses are pointing down to me, not up. You say, what about this wave right here? Yeah, but it's an impulse as part of a corrective move right here. It's an impulse on a corrective wave shape, potentially. That maybe stretching it here. Right here. 1, 2. See 3 right there? 4 and 5. Then you have a 3, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the way I see it. That's my primary count, which means bear move coming. I suppose what he's saying. Jim provides market makers his opposite. So we know the real moves are opposite. You guys are telling me I agree with that, or that's my count. I'm sorry. We have a lag between charts and all that, and so I have no idea what you're agreeing with or what you like. So yeah, chemo. Yeah, you just said what I said. Oh, they watch me. Okay, I got you. They might, man. Shoot. Because they probably go, oh, crap, Jim figured it out. Now what are we going to do? I wouldn't want to, I wouldn't, maybe I need to stop sharing what I think. See what happens. I'll share it privately in my group and see how often we get it right then. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't think they watch my videos. They got better things to do. They're probably like, "Oh, Jim thinks this. Watch this." If they watch it all. All right. Rowan McKay, what are you saying, buddy? I'll see if I can string it along here. Yeah. All right, so again, I'm bringing to you the same thing that I brought in the last video that was 35 minutes. It's a big I don't know burger. Sometimes it's truly unsatisfying, but sometimes it's all there is to eat. Let me pull it up here. Where is it? Here it is. The Jim of all trades, great big I don't know burger. Truly unsatisfying, but sometimes there just isn't anything else to eat. There it is. I hope you enjoy that. Okay. I wonder if that's true, I suppose. I wonder if that's true. I wonder if that's indeed what they do. All right. Let's take a look at Luke. Thank you for that gift. I'll get rep shortly. Let's take a look at XRP for any kind of help here. My problem with XRP. On the 8-hour chart. We got a 3-wave move right here. 3 waves. Boom, boom, boom. Off the top there. What in the world is that junk? What is this junk? How in the world do you count that? Do you measure this wave right here? Or do you measure this wave here? I've been measuring that wave. We are bouncing off of the 1-to-1 extension. Now, how do you make sense of this right here? It's big time hidden bearish divergence. So there's hidden bearish divergence here. I don't know. Excuse me. But there's plenty of room on the 8-hour to go up. 6-hour, 4 hours a little higher. 2-hour. Yep. Now there's hidden bullish divergence here on the and that's why we got this move to the upside. Just so stinking unclear. Ethereum is equally unclear. You can see that this first move started with a three-wave move going up, three-wave move, came down, came back up. I mean, it would seem to me this is about to come down again. If this is a three-wave move, so this is about to come down in Ethereum. This looks like a five-wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Three-wave, 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 WXY, and then down. That's what Ethereum looks like to me on the micro. Litecoin looks like it's finishing up a three-wave move here. Just looking at other charts to see what they're doing. This looks about finished. Okay. This looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks about finished. 1-to-1 extent. 127 extension. Looks like it was ready to come down. Guys, everybody, all these waves look like they're about ready to come down to me, personally. That they're finishing up. And they're about ready to come down. See how overbought Bitcoin is on the 15-minute chart. Not so much on XRP, and not so much on Ethereum. But we're staying within this wedge. Let's see. LTC. What's the RSI saying? There's, bearish divergence here, but, it could be wiped out. To me, guys, it's just a big I don't know burger right now. All right, guys. I'm pretty much done my technical analysis. It's unclear. I don't know up or down. I've got reasons why I think both. My bias is down because I'm a bear at heart, probably. Yeah, so for now, down is what I think, but could be going up. But I'm short for now. Okay, open for requests. Request line is open. We'll do. I'll start with REP. REP has bullish divergence here. And then that's why we got this move up. And now we have hidden bearish divergence. There might be some more room to go. But right now it's hidden bear. So if this comes up here a little bit more. Okay, so it might be on the 8-hour chart. Got some more room to go up. But I think it's going to come down more eventually. So I think rep is coming down more, even though we might get a push up there. Micro. Yeah, we've got hidden bullish here on the 1-hour chart. So this is showing like it's coming up here. Up here. Right there. Maybe. And then probably going to head down after that. That's my take on that. Hey, what's up, Well? How's it going, buddy? All right. Hey, Rob, can you clarify your question, brother? Hey, shoot me a picture. Shoot me a link, Rob, of your chart, and I'll pull it up. Give me the last bit of. All right, Tom. Tom sent the chart. Let me check Tom's chart. You thinking this is a 1-2-1-2? No, I don't think so. No, because I mean this can't be a 1-2-1-2 because it broke this. This broke it down here. Sorry, I missed that, Tom. Okay. Let's see. BNB is next. Yeah, so the 1 hour chart. One hour chart. I mean, it looks like a three. It looks like a flat right there. It needs to be about finished. You can see it's come up to the resistance here. It's a flat shape. You got hidden on the 4 hour chart. Hidden bearish divergence. Down's the direction for BNB. At some point soon. It's going down. I don't know how high it's going to go. We're at a place where it should probably turn around. Looks like it's ready to turn around now. That's BNB. ETC is next. Don't forget, you want to jump the line. Super chats are always appreciated and welcome. Merle, this is ETC for you. Looking at this right here, that shape right there. One, two, three, four, five. Looks like an ending diagonal. It finished something. Okay. And then what we got off of it is an impulse. Boom. Okay. We got an impulse off of it. So now we got to be careful here because we got this 3-wave, 3-wave, 5-wave. That looks like a finished flat. And then we got an impulse down. Excuse me. It's hard to say. This is junk in here. It's hard to say. Probably something like that. Maybe we get something like that. And then the direction's down. This is all corrective chop. Impulse down, corrective chop, maybe some up, and then down. It's my take. Best I got for you, Merle. Either it's going to go up in here and hit the 1-to-1, or we're down from here. Excellent. AU is looking good. All right, next request, NIO. Daniel L, NIO. I think I like that chart. Yeah. Not a whole lot's changed since the last time I charted it. We do have hidden bullish divergence working here. So up is my bias for now with the hidden bullish divergence working here. Now it could still come down. The big question mark has always been, is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there? Or is this the top of 3 and we're making 4 now? So I think this is going to come down more. So let's analyze that. See how we got this 3 wave, and then we got this 3 wave. Well, I think we're going to get another 3 wave down. So I think we're going down more. Targeting right here. Targeting that zone. Could start impulsing down to this zone down here. Shoot, it could even come down and fill these gaps down here. So I'm not sure if we're going to get a deeper move. So watch $14. If it breaks that, watch $11. Okay, or $15. Watch $15. Watch $11.50. If it goes up from here, I don't think it is. The structure, I mean, it may go up a little bit, but I think structure is pointing down for now. So for now, I think structure is saying down for a bit. 30-minute chart. Immediate terms, up. Then I think down. So, sorry. Yeah, this looks like a 3 wave up. So this is some kind of a beginning diagonal or something. This could come up and break the high and then make a flat and then come down. Could do something like that. But I think ultimately we're coming down here a bit. Okay? So that's looking down for me for now. Octavian, you're not too late. Let's do Crow. Octavia, what exchange are you thinking? Oh, somebody asked me to look at EOS, and I skipped right over it. Let me look at EOS first. Crypto Fever, EOS, because you asked first. Sorry about that. EOS it is. Sorry, I'm just looking at my AU trade here. Okay. EOS. EOS on the 8-hour chart from the bottom made a 3-wave move to the upside. So EOS is looking down from here to me. But in the immediate term, we might get some kind of corrective wave and then down. Corrective up and then down. Looks like a flat on the RSI. The RSI, there's hidden bearish divergence already on the 8-hour. See what the 4-hour says. 4-hour, wow. It's hidden bearish on the 4-hour as well. Yeah, it's just looking down. May not even get that corrective up. It may just come down from here. Down looks like the direction to me, man. And it looks like it might come hard. Yeah, I mean, just look at that 3-wave move. It's just clear as day. You'll know it's going to continue down if it breaks this level right here. So if it breaks 215, otherwise it could be a 1-2-1-2 and then up big time. Okay, but not likely. Most likely it's going to come on down, break that level, and continue down. So EOS is looking down for now. Okay. All right, Octavian, what exchange? Okay. There it is. Okay. Let's look at Crow here. Wow. Look at that sucker. All right, did we break this low or not? 0239. Yeah, that broke the low over here. Yeah. Barely, but it broke it. Well, that's just a 3-wave move down. I'm going to break the rules here. Major hidden. This is bull all day long. Now, when this corrective wave is finished, it's bull. Could be done now. I'm not sure. It's bullish. I mean, look at the hidden, the hidden bullish divergence here. So I'm not sure when this corrective wave is going to end. Maybe right here. $0.13. Maybe it'll finish there. Not sure about that. But looking bullish. This is hidden bullish divergence on the 12 hour, on the 8 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour says. Yeah, might be more down to go. Maybe 12 cents. Let's see if it gets down here, but it's looking like that to me. All right, did Neo, did EOS, did Crow. Andy's asking about crypto DeFi, insurance, Nexus Mutual. All right, let's try NXM. NXM looks like it's doing this. First target, watch 0.094. Second target, watch 0.11. Okay. If it gets up here and reverses, it's going to do something like this, and then continue. If it gets up here, chances are it's coming down. Now, I'm not certain about that, but we'll have to see. Hidden bullish divergence right now. It's playing out. Watch the 618 extension of the entire wave. That's NXM. Best I can see there. Okay, let's check ETH again. We're going to get any clarity with ETH. $12-hour chart. Look at this trash here. It's just real trash. What that's doing. But bear in mind, guys, when ETH did that in the past, oh man. How do you make of this as a three wave? So is ETH doing this? I mean, my problems with ETH is that, I mean, excuse me. I mean, this is such a clear 5-wave move. I mean, there's 5 waves there. Didn't break the low. You know, it makes me want to, say this and then that, right? But we're not getting a 3. It's not 3 waves up. It's just trash. It's pumpy trash. Can't make sense of it. Elliott Wave's not helping. The market makers are not playing by Elliott Wave shapes that I know right now. Except that just bullish. It's pumpy. How much are they going to pump it? No clarity at all. I got my friend Weil. He's charting these requests as you go. Yeah, we had the same targets there, buddy. Crow. And XM is bullish. Yeah. I had the same chart. That's a nice target there for AU. Nice target. Yeah, is that ETH? Yeah. Yeah, that's possible. So Wax is trading shapes is seeing this possibility here for Ethereum. With an up direction from here. So there you go, guys. That's his take on it. You can check out his website as well. His what do you call it? You can check out his channel. Let's see here. We'll check Dash in just a minute. I already did BNB. Looked at ETH. I personally think ETH is coming down. It differs from Wax's viewpoint there in trading shapes. I think ETH is coming down first based on this wave structure here. May not, but That's the way I'm seeing it for now. So, all right, let's see. Let's finish up the requests. Dash next. Wow, Dash. I don't like Dash. I mean, RSI on the 12-hour chart. Just look up for Dash. 12-hour chart. It's bullish, but I don't know how high. It might only be like this. Might stay within this triangular shape here, but it looks like it's ready to oscillate some more to the side. Bullish for now, but hard to tell. Not enough info there. I don't like Dash as far as a trader is concerned. Good night, Rob. All right. Theta. It's jacking up, ain't it? Just straight up in the air. I remember when people were asking me about this, I said, watch out, it's coming down. You know, it came down 50%, and then it's going back up. Right now we're at the 1-to-1 extension. There's no divergence on the daily. I don't see any reason why this won't continue up. Unless Bitcoin just starts tanking. Here's your next fib at 91 cents. That's what Theta is doing. But looks like Theta wants to do something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. So, you know, watch the 127 extension, watch the 1618 extension of these two waves, and see what happens there. All right, guys, there it is. There's chart request tonight. I hope you guys are clear as mud. I certainly am. I'm personally in the Aussie long right now and holding it. So we'll see where she goes. But yeah, for now, we'll see. Everything's pumping right now. It's looking to the upside. ETH is not pumping like XRP is. Smaller time frame here, and it's not pumping strong. You know, we're not like moving with rapid rate here. But if this wave gets above here, ooh, buddy, it's gonna be a little tricky. To understand. I don't see it happening. I think it's coming down from here, but we'll have to wait and see. All right, let's check out Link for Dinosaur Muscle Cars, my friend. How you, buddy? One of my most faithful viewers right there. He's been around since close to the beginning. If you've been around since the beginning, let me know. I know James Bond has been around quite a while. Dinosaur Muscle Cars has been around. Which of you watching have been around for a while, for about a year at least? I started the channel 2 years ago, but I've been making daily videos since April of last year, so a year and a half now. Been making strong videos. Oh, look at Link. Look at that. Okay, it came down to the 127 extension. My take on Link is this possibility here. So we got a nice clear three-wave move. Then we got this little flattish thing. Then maybe another three-wave move down. Then up. So there might be some down in the cards for Link coming. Oh yeah, Tom, you've been around a while for sure. Haha, Merle. Yeah, Merle, you've been around for quite a while. So that's possible. There. The other possibility is that this could be just a really ugly three-wave down, and now we're heading up from here. But I'm not inclined to think that. I mean, it's going to go up from here like that, most likely, and then down again. So it's going to come up and then down. Looking for hidden bearish divergence here on Link. So I'm thinking bull for now. Let's look at the small time frames and check it out. Yeah, you see that? See this hidden bullish divergence here? It's playing out here. So, will it continue up or does it go down from here? But in the 30-minute and the 1 hour, you've got hidden bullish that's played out. That is playing out. So how high does this go? I can't say for certain. Could be done now. Could be done now. 1 to 1 is what is that? 11.5, maybe 12 is the highest. So it's close to done. So looking for Link to probably come up here, make another high, not break the high, create the divergence, and then go down. Link is telling a down story. So, all right, guys, that is the stream for the night, guys. That's the stream for tonight. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for mentioning that, I suppose. Appreciate that. Okay, Apple. Did I miss you, Raul? Sorry if I did. I can do Tesla as well. Let me do Apple and Tesla real fast. Okay, we came down to target. Actually came down to close this gap. Got a flat in here, looks like. Hard to tell. This might be 5 waves, guys. In other words, boom. Yeah, I got hidden bearish divergence. This is gonna corrective wave and break. So just wait for that to break. Wait for this to finish out, and then it's gonna break down again. So I'm looking for a short position. Even though it's gonna be long here for temporary, I'm looking for a short position in Apple. That's the way I'd look at Apple. Hard to read those waves though, but it looks like it just needs to come down some more. Okay, let's check Tesla out. All right, is Tesla flagging out in a triangle? Maybe. So A, B, C, D, E. Down. Then up. It's one look at it. See if this forms a triangle over time. Let's watch that triangle. And the way I'm looking at it is A, B, C. $288 right here at this level. Okay. The other way I'm looking at it is this is just flagging out here. Actually, it's not a flag. It could be says boom, 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 like that. Again, coming down to this region here. More down before up. So this is going up for now. Tradable move, potentially. Yeah. I can't tell you how to trade that. I'd wait for the short, probably. The other option is we got a flag here. That's A, B, C, D, E, and then up from there. I can't tell you how it's going to go. But right now we're in a correction. We're in a corrective wave before up. That's Tesla. All right, guys. I'm pretty tired. Y'all have a great night. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for coming in. And hope you enjoying the channel. Let me know how I can improve it and just make it better for you guys. And hope you're thanks all for all the comments and the tips and just making this a good community to be part of. All right, you guys have a great night. Thanks for stopping by the video. We'll catch you on the next time. Okay. All right. Bye bye.